Yes, my fellow Nigeria, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not a politician and nobody paid me to say this. You understand? But this country, the way this country is going right now, we have to take our destiny in our hands. Our leaders, they have been deceiving us. They have been taking us as if we don't know what we are doing. The Bible used to tell us that the youth are the leaders of tomorrow. And the country is not going forward. We are not seeing the bright light. We are not seeing anything. If this country have to move forward, it's me and you. The youth are the power of this nation. The youth are the power of this country. It is hard time for us to stand up and tell those old men that they have fooled us enough. It is hard time for us to stand up to tell those old men that we are wise. It is hard time for us to take our destiny in our hands. How can you take that? And how can you do that? Elections are pushing. 2023. Go and get your PVC. And when you get your PVC, vote for Peter Obi for president 2023. This is the man we believe on. This is the man we trust. Vote for Labour Party. I support Peter Obi for president 2023.
Say make we vote the young man wey we know say he go fit take care of Nigeria, wey go fit take care of the youth. Na him be Peter Obi. Abeg the youth, abeg Nigeria, make we put hand for Peter Obi back. Make him himself for make Nigeria great.
Vote for Peter Obi for president.
And we say with Peter Obi, this country will experience transformation. This country will experience change. This country will move to the next level. If this country will see a brighter light, if this country will see a brighter future, it is me and you. Brother, don't accept that 10,000, that 20,000. Don't sell your vote. Don't sell your rights. Don't sell your future. Because tomorrow, our children will grow up in this same country. Tomorrow, this is our fatherland. Tomorrow, our children will grow up and say, this is my fatherland. What are we getting from it? Nothing. There are many graduates out there. No job, no employment, nothing. They are roaming the streets, driving bike, driving wheelbarrows. My brothers and sisters, if you know this country is your country, if you know this country, you love this country, let's take our destiny in our hands. We have to take our responsibilities in our hands. I tell you, vote Peter Obi 2023 for president. And I say with that, this country will be transformed for a better Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. God bless the nation.
I greet Nigeria. Oba Ratokbe.